Negotiate agreements without leaving airSlate. Suggest changes on contracts? Easy. Accept or decline changes? Just a click. Send a contract for final review? Done. Send it out for signing? At your fingertips. Upload or create templates for any contract or agreement. Edit your document just like you would a Word doc. Drag and drop fillable fields for signatures, initials, date, checkbox, dropdown, and numbers. Visualize your workflow by adding steps to include in the process. Assign certain parts of your agreements to be reviewed and e-signed by certain recipients. Put all contract-related tasks on autopilot with powerful no-code bots. Pre-fill agreements with information from multiple cloud apps. Just integrate your CRM or ERM with airSlate. Automatically send reminders and notifications when a contract needs to be signed. Rename documents and store signed agreements in your cloud storage for easy access. Make your business flexible, cost-efficient, error and paper-free. Speed up the contract signing process with airSlate Contract Negotiation. Check it out for yourself by booking a demo.